Okay, so that's the beginning of We're an American Band by Grand Funk Railroad. We're going to come out with this. So that's G string, hammer 5 to 7, 2 more 7s. And then we go into faster notes. Okay, so we get into like 16th notes instead of 8th notes. So, and then, so we go 5 to 7 and 2 quick 7s. We do that 4 times. And then we go 7 to 9, 2 more 9s, 8 on the second, slide the 9 to 7 to the 5, so it's, and then we go up to the 9 again from the 7. That time we hold that 5 for a while, so it's going to be. Hit the 5 again. We got 5, 7 on the D, 2 more 5s, so it's. So we have 5, 7 there, 4 times. Da-dum, 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 da-dum. 6, 6 on the second. So here we have 7, 5 on the G, 7 on the D, 5, 7 on the G, 6 on the B, 7, 7, so it's. And then da-dum, 5, 7. So this whole lead is 2, 3, 4. Okay, then we start the pre-verse and the verse here. So this is going to be a D power chord. Down, up, down, and then. Okay, so. That one just kind of has da-da-da-da-da-da. You can have a little couple hammer-ons at the end. So we got. We're going to have 5, 7 on the D, 5, 7 on the G. Got a C power chord, and we go. We're going to have middle 7s to 10s, 9s to 5s. So we got. Okay, we end up doing that 3 times, 1 for the pre-verse, twice for the verse, and then we get into this. Okay, so it's just hitting on the 1, 2, 3, 4. We have a G chord to a D, C, back to D. 2, 3, 4. Okay, then we start going. So that's down and then chicka, muted. To the D. Then we go to an F chord over here. So dum, 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 and then we're gonna go. So we have 2 before the new measure on the G. Da da dum, da dum, dum. So it's. Okay, that was the pre-chorus. Now we're into the chorus. We're an American band. Hold that for 2 measures. Go down to the C. We have 3 different upstrokes on the sus. That's where we put the 6 on the second string. So it's. Flat, C, D, 1. So here we have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So we kind of wait a little bit and hit that C on an upbeat there. So let's look at this whole pre-chorus and chorus again. 2, 3, 4. Chug through this, but the bass is pretty much doing that. Okay, then we have a pre-verse, we have a verse twice, pre-chorus, chorus again. So it's basically just like repeating all the main parts. Let's look at that pre-verse and verse again. 2, 3, 4. Okay, you do that 3 times again. You have your pre-verse and 2 verses. Pre-chorus, we just did all that again, so we got the chorus again. So this is a harmony lead. Here goes the main one. Okay, so that was 8-8 on the second string. 7-8, 7-7-7, going down the strings there. So then we're going 5-4 in the G. 5-4-5-6-7-7. Okay, and that's the harmony part. So the other harmony part we'll do in a second here, but this is the first part we got. 5-4-5-4-5-4-5-4-5-6-7-7. Kind of slide that one down. Okay, so the harmony part that goes with that is this little 7. Okay, so 7-7-10 on the second, down to the 7, 10-7 on the second, 2 7s on the G. Then it's going to do the same type of riff starting on the 9. So 9, 8, 9, 8, 9, 8, 9, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11. So we have a bend on the 12. This is the same for both leads. We got the bend on the 12, 10 and 10 going up. Bend the 13 on the second, and then we're going to start going. So we're going to bend the 13, hit the 10 on the first string, pull off 13 to 10, and keep doing that like 8 times. So they're going to end with a. So we have a bend, and then 10, 10, 10, 13, 13, 13. So it's like 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. And then the last phrase is going to be the bend, 2 10s down here. Up and down on the 13, 10, 12, 10, 12 in the D. So once again, we got. Okay, and your harmony was. Chorus starts again, we have some fills. So this was an 8, kind of up and down. To the 7 on the second, the 7 on the third. We're going to bend that 8 again. So 5, 8, 6 on the second, 7 to 5 over here. So, and then we have a phrase. So 5 7 7 7 5 7 7 7 6 6 7 5 7 5. So it's. Then we're gonna have bend that 8 to the 7 on the G. That time to the 7 and 7. Then we have a 7 to 6. 8 and then 6 to 7 on the G, and then same riff there, and then 7 5 7. Then we have a. So we have a 5 7 and 7. 6 on the second, 7 5 to 5. Then we have a 3 bends on the 10 to the 7. Then we have a 5 7 again. These are all kind of the same sound with different ending notes, you know. 6 7 5. Bend the 8 that time. Then we're to the last note. Tum 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 tum. Okay, so that was 7 on the G. Wait for the drum fill, and then 5, and then D string. Quick one, bluesy one. 6 to 5 to 3. Then your D, 5th fret of the A string.